Hello everyone, my name is Maggie and welcome to my channel. Today we're in my kitchen, so that can only mean one thing. Today I'm doing a Halloween baking video. So this is actually kind of misleading because this isn't actually a baking video. There's no baking involved in this video. However, we are making a very cute, very Halloween-y sweet treat. So stay tuned because you're going to want to make this for probably everyone you see this October. So the treat I'm making today is a pet ghost. I saw this on, I think, Pinterest, and I'm tweaking it a little bit, but it's so cute, it's so fun, it's easy to do, it's easy for kids to do, and it turns out really cute. So without further ado, let's get started. First off, the things you're gonna need for this recipe. You're gonna need marshmallow peeps, the ghost ones. You're gonna need some mini pie tins with the graham cracker crust. I have these, I think, from Keebler's. You're gonna need instant chocolate pudding mix. The recipe that I saw used candy melts, but I thought if you're gonna have a pie, you might as well have a pudding pie. And then I also have some tapes we can tape our labels on, some apothecary print labels that I just printed off the internet, and some candy corn to put around our ghost friend in its little cage. Cage? It's not really a cage. Container? I don't know. No ghosts were harmed in the making of this YouTube video. One thing I didn't get, which you're supposed to get, is milk to make your pudding with. Although I do have a lot of almond milk, so I think I'm gonna try almond milk. I don't know if that works, but we're sure gonna see. Because it's all I got. So the first thing I wanna do is make this pudding mix because pudding has to set for at least 1 hour, which I didn't know before I started filming. So let's do this first. One day I'll have a kitchen with an island and it will be beautiful. But right now, I don't. Right now I just have a tiny kitchen, it's not that tiny, a medium-sized kitchen and my arms, so. Okay, that's going in there. I hope this bowl's big enough. I assume it is. It smells good. It smells like hot chocolate. I wonder if you could use pudding mix with hot chocolate. If you didn't have hot chocolate but you had instant pudding mix. I feel like you could. Boom. Life hack. I just hacked you. 1 3/4 cups. Mixture will be thin, pour at once into cold baked 8-inch shell. Okay, yeah, okay, we want this. We're doing the pudding. So 1 3/4 cup of cold milk. So I'm using vanilla almond breeze. I'm not going to be using my mixer this time, although my mom did get me a new mixer after I showed her the last baking video I did where the mixer went like haywire. She did buy me a new mixer, so I do have a new mixer. I just hate mixers. There's 1 and then 3/4. I'm assuming this will set fine. This might be a little bit sweeter because almond milk has sweetener in it, but I think it will be okay. We're gonna take a whisk. After we've taken a whisk, by using almond milk and mix this up. And the instruction says that it will be runny, but it will solidify in the, I almost said oven, no, refrigerator. Oh my god, I just thought, like, what if I dropped this? Why would I say that? Now it will happen. Okay, this seems pretty stirred. Yeah. It tastes like a hot chocolate mix. Pie? No, pudding is going in the fridge. Goodbye, pudding. I love you. See you later. Okay, I just pulled our pudding out of the fridge. As you can see, it is pretty gelatinous. So we'll call that a win. So now it's kind of just assembled, but I do need to open everything on brand, on that Halloween brand. So I'm gonna open these, which I'll tell you what, I had to go to multiple stores for these. For whatever reason, the Giant, the grocery store I go to, does not carry these, or they've hidden them very well. So I had to go to CVS, which is next to the Giant, walk around the store for 2 minutes, ask the lady where the marshmallow peeps are. She tells me where the marshmallows are. I was like, you do not understand what I'm looking for. And I feel feel like I look so pale, which is like, okay, I am pale, but also like this lipstick's not helping me, but it's spoopy. Okay. But anyway, so I was like, no, I was like, they're usually with the Halloween section. And as I like turned to like point at the Halloween section, I saw like the little display of peeps. And I was like, peeps. Anyway, so here they are. Let's take them out. We should only need 6. I'm gonna put this into our little pie. I'm gonna put a little bit more in there. Just to actually make it look like a pie. If you like pudding pie, hit the thumbs up. And even if you don't, hit the thumbs up. So this is our little pudding pie. And then we're just gonna stick the ghost sort of in it. So it stands up. Oh my god, it's so cute. Look. This is the most adorable thing I've ever seen. Oh my god, that's so cute. Okay, and then this is more for garnish, not for flavor. I'm just gonna put some little candy corns. We can say this is the ghost's food. I'm just gonna put some candy corns around him because I think that would be cute. Oh, it is, it's really cute. Okay, so I'm gonna set that down. Do not fall backwards, sir. So I cut up some of the little tiny apothecary labels that I just printed out at work. You could make your own. There are a bunch of templates out there for little pet ghosts. I just chose these because they were pretty spooky. I think I'm going to use this one because it looks the most like an apothecary pet ghost. What's left to do, and I'm hoping that this is the right size, I'm pretty sure it is to put our ghost in its little cage. And I think I'm going to do it this way. That's so cute. Okay. Okay, let me tape it. So that ghost is falling over. I'm gonna put this back in the fridge for another half hour and come back and do the rest. So I got my ghost out. I think I put too much pudding in this one. He still is kind of like lopsided. So I'm gonna put less pudding. And the rest, I'm gonna go ahead and fill these up. I think I'm gonna move you so I can time lapse it. You can watch it from a better angle than this. Like 2.5 hours, but 2.5 hours later, this is what we have. Ready? Pretty cute. Come on, come on, come on, that's cute. All right, I'm going to insert some spoopy footage of these ghosts while I eat this leftover pudding. This video, please give it a thumbs up if it did. Leave a comment below with maybe your favorite Halloween Pinterest recipe, your favorite Halloween treat, anything like that. Remember to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. You can follow me on my social media, which is on the screen and in the description box below. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. Stay spoopy, and I will see you next time.